Hey, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add anchor tags into your Framer project. Anchor tags allow us to scroll to any section of any page. It's the same way you can make a button link to another page. Here you can make a button link to a section on another page, or the same page. This button up here was previously linking to the Surf Lessons page, but I'd like it to rather link to this Classes and Offerings section. To do this, click on the section you'd like the button to move to, come to the right-hand panel, and click Scroll Section. Add the name for the section, come back to the button, and change the link to the page that you're on, or the page you'd like it to direct to. And if there's a section available on that page, this section property will appear. You can then select the Classes section, in this case, or whatever section you have, decide whether you'd like it to open in a new tab or not, and if you'd like it to smoothly scroll or instantly jump to the other section. We'll leave ours on smooth. So when we go to preview, click on the button, you can see that it scrolls to the Classes and Offerings section. And there you have it. That's how you add anchor tags to your pages on your Framer project. If there's anything else you'd like to learn on Framer, feel free to drop a comment below or send us an email. See you soon!